Estate planning mistake number 9, failure to use a trust to control the voting stock of a family business, using the trustee to execute your succession plan and protect the business from legal problems if heirs get divorced. Okay? So, a simple estate plan just without a trust just leaves the stock to your children, let's say, and they get divorced. Well, there's case law that if that family member is important in the business, and even though you get divorced, it's usually a non-marital asset, but if that person is directly involved in the business and contributes to the success of the business, that increase in the value attributable to the efforts of the spouse is a marital asset in a divorce. Okay? So what I'm trying to share with you is that if you have a trust, you can leave the asset in trust for your children, and it's excluded, and there's no right that they have because the trust controls the rights of that child, and that you control in there that it's basically not a marital asset. It's inherited, but that it's excluded from the marital estate. So you want to use a trust in that situation. And then the other issue could be that you may leave stock to your children in the company. You die. And then when they die, let's say they die unexpectedly, their spouse inherits the money. So the in-law owns stock in the company. And you may not want that. Okay? And now, if it was held with a trust, you can control that it's going to be held by the family, and you can make provisions when the children die, who's going to, what's going to happen. A trust can control that. Yes, question.
Do you have a checklist that brings out all those scenarios so that things like, I wouldn't think about that down the road, but that's
Yeah.
a different way?
See, that's called sales and marketing. It's all up here. I had to put that in. Okay. We do have a questionnaire form we use for married couples, okay. But quite frankly, it's a matter of every situation is so unique. I really have not developed I'll be honest with you, I haven't developed a checklist, but it's one of those things I don't want to give away. I got to tell you.
You don't have to give the checklist. Well,
yeah.
We got your services.
That's when we beat. Yeah.
I would like that organizational chart to think of all those scenarios.
That's exactly what we do. We sit down and say, what if? Okay. And that's really one of those things. And that's a good point. Yes. And we do have some questionnaire forms we use for married couples. Okay, that helps then evaluate, when they have children, or even if you're single. Same issues. If you're single, you got the same issues. What's going to happen in your business? You die or become disabled. Okay? State Farm had a thing that I think they sold 400,000 life insurance policies to adults age 45. And they also had a statistic that within a year, 400 of them cashed in. Okay? There's a probability at age 45 that you will die unexpectedly. Usually it's a car wreck, but I got to say cancer. Cancer is very real out there for women. I got to say with breast cancer, it's just sad. I mean, that's a very real truth out there. So that's why we try to plan for the worst, expect the best. Okay, that's the whole strategy here.